Hey guys, welcome to episode 5 of finally the CRX. Hopefully this is the final episode of wrapping this thing. At the moment, off camera, we did a couple other parts of the car. So we do have the driver's side all done. Right now we're running the passenger side, the quarter panel. So we're gonna have to run all the way down because it doesn't disconnect anywhere. So it's a nice long piece. We're gonna lay this one down. That should be the final piece to this. We might have to make a couple adjustments here and there. And the rear bumper, I think, just needs a couple little touch-ups. And then we're kaput and done with this thing. We can take it outside, maybe give it a little wipe down, take some nice photos, videos of it, and then finally Jimbo can take it home. So let's get started on this quarter panel. All right, guys, all the panels are laid. I only have to redo this one sunroof, the little sunroof piece, and that's gonna wrap it up. So I'm super excited. Let's knock this out real quick, bring this out inside into the light, and check it out. As you can see, we pulled it out. There's some space in the garage now for other activities, but it looks like she's all done, all set. She looks a lot meaner, a lot more aggressive. I really do enjoy the look. James, what do you have to say?
Very nice. It's very nice, very nice.
Yeah. I'm really liking the red on the black, satin black with all the carbon bits. Definitely very nice touch. That's a wrap. The CRX Restoration Wrap Episode 5. Thank you guys so much for watching. Dominic signing off. Your dreams matter. Make dreams possible, boys. Peace.